Let's talk about why Americans are broke despite working 40+ hours every single week. Most people work jobs they absolutely hate just for the paycheck. There is no fulfillment, just high stress and counting down the minutes to Friday. They start dreading Monday on Sunday afternoon and then spend all weekend dreading the week ahead. That is not living. That is a slow death with a 401k. And here's the kicker. When you hate your work, you spend money just to cope with the pain. You buy things to feel better. You take expensive vacations to escape. You stress eat and you go out constantly because being at home reminds you that tomorrow is Monday. The golden handcuffs get tighter and tighter. You cannot leave because your lifestyle requires the income, so you are trapped. The Japanese have a concept called Ikigai, which is your reason for being. It is the intersection of four things: what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When all four of those overlap, that is your Ikigai. That is why you get up in the morning. In Okinawa, one of the world's blue zones where people regularly live past 100, they do not even have a word for retirement. You do not retire from your Ikigai. You do it until you die happily. And here is what is crazy. Studies show that people with purpose spend way less on coping mechanisms. When you love Monday morning, you do not need retail therapy to survive it. Let me paint two pictures for you. The wrong path is a high-paying job that you hate. You earn well, but you hate Monday through Friday, so you spend money to cope with the stress. You never have enough to quit because your lifestyle matches your income, and you end up trapped in a well-paid prison. Now the right path is aligned work. Maybe you earn less at first, but you love the work, so you don't need to cope spend because there is nothing to cope with. Lower stress means less stress spending, and you build wealth from satisfaction, not from consumption. Here is how you find your Ikigai. Ask yourself, what do I love doing? What am I naturally good at? What does the world actually need right now? And what can people pay me for? The overlap of those four answers is your Ikigai. Start a side hustle in that area. Build it while keeping your day job, and transition when you are ready. I know a guy who made $80,000 in corporate and hated every second of it. He spent $500 monthly on retail therapy every weekend, $5,000 yearly on vacations to escape, and another $300 monthly on stress eating. His total coping costs were over $11,000 every single year. He found his Ikigai teaching part-time and made $45,000 his first year. His coping spending dropped to nearly zero because he was finally happy. He lived happier on way less money. Year 3, he was making $60,000 doing what he loved and saving $15,000 yearly. In his previous life, he made $80,000, saved nothing, and was miserable every single day. Purpose reduces spending because when you love Monday, you do not need to medicate the pain with purchases. Fulfillment is cheaper than coping. But do you see anything unusual here? The answer is right in front of us because purpose-driven work reduces stress and spending. But Japanese philosophy goes even deeper into finding beauty in what you already have. Number 5, wabi-sabi, embracing imperfection.